Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to be here with you. Today, we'll be exploring how to transform your IT operations from reactive firefighting to proactive problem prevention. Our focus will be on ServiceNow problem management and how it can empower your organization. We'll look at ways to identify root causes, eliminate recurring incidents, and build lasting resilience in this complex digital landscape. So, let's dive in and discover how to drive IT resilience together with ServiceNow. When we focus on improving service quality, we see a direct impact on reducing downtime and increasing user satisfaction across the organization. This isn't just about fixing issues faster. It's about creating a more reliable and efficient environment for everyone. These proven outcomes support IT agility, especially in today's complex and fast-paced digital landscape, where even a short period of downtime can significantly affect revenue. Being able to adapt quickly and keep systems running smoothly is more critical than ever. Business agility depends on this ability to respond swiftly and effectively. One key way to achieve that is by minimizing recurring incidents. Instead of just treating the symptoms when problems occur, we need to systematically identify and resolve their root causes. This strategic approach is what makes problem management so important. It's not just about fixing things when they break, but about preventing issues from happening in the first place, ensuring continuous improvement across the organization. Let's take a closer look at the problem management lifecycle in ServiceNow. First, when we talk about integration with incident, change, and knowledge management, we're emphasizing how creating a unified workflow helps break down silos. This means every team has the full context they need to act quickly and effectively. Next, the role of seamless integration is crucial. It ensures that information flows smoothly across different processes, reducing delays and confusion. Then, by automating key tasks, we can accelerate root cause identification and resolution. In fact, automation can cut the time to fix issues by up to 50%, which is a significant improvement. Moving through the lifecycle stages, we start with the investigation phase, where the root cause analysis begins. Once a problem is identified and impact is evaluated, the team assesses the situation and finalizes documentation. The problem then moves to being closed once the solution is implemented, with verification confirming that the issue is resolved. Throughout this process, the goal is to streamline problem resolution, minimize downtime, and improve overall service quality. This lifecycle is a core part of how ServiceNow enables proactive and efficient problem management, aligning perfectly with the overall theme of creating smarter, more integrated workflows. Let's take a closer look at the key roles and responsibilities involved in problem management. First, we have executive sponsors. Their role is to provide governance, which means setting the direction and ensuring that our problem management efforts align with organizational goals. They also allocate resources, making sure we have the right people and tools, and they sustain organizational commitment, maintaining focus on continuous improvement and excellence in problem management. Next, we have the problem manager. This person leads the problem identification and resolution efforts. They coordinate cross-functional teams, ensuring everyone is working together effectively. The problem manager also tracks problems through to resolution, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Moving on, the service desk manager plays a crucial frontline role. They lead the effort to identify problems and resolve them quickly. They monitor incident clusters and patterns, so if they notice recurring issues, they alert the problem manager. This role provides valuable insights into user issues that are happening repeatedly, helping us prioritize and address root causes. Finally, we have technical specialists. Their focus is on conducting in-depth root cause analysis. They implement permanent fixes and validate solutions across different environments. Their technical expertise ensures that solutions are effective and sustainable, preventing issues from recurring. When we connect all these roles, it's clear that each one is essential for a comprehensive and effective problem management process. Together, they help us improve service quality, reduce recurring issues, and ultimately support organizational goals. Now, let's talk about the importance of documenting known errors. This practice actually speeds up future incident handling and helps us build a stronger organizational intelligence over time. When we capture knowledge about past issues, we're creating a valuable resource that can be referenced later, making our response more efficient. Knowledge capture involves bringing together cross-functional teams, people from operations, development, and business units. This ensures we get a comprehensive analysis of the problem from multiple perspectives, which is crucial for understanding complex issues. To facilitate this, we use a collaborative approach. One method is group think sessions, where we have structured discussions that include diverse perspectives. This encourages everyone to contribute and helps us uncover insights we might miss alone. Another key technique is causal mapping. We create visual diagrams that connect symptoms to their underlying causes. This visual approach makes it easier to see the relationships and pinpoint the root of the problem. We also rely on brainstorming, generating ideas together to explore all possible causes. This open, collaborative process often sparks innovative solutions and reveals causes we might not initially consider. All these methods are proven techniques, but at the core of everything is root cause analysis. This is the heart of problem management. It's about digging deep to find the fundamental issue behind an incident so we can address it effectively and prevent similar problems in the future. By consistently applying these practices, we not only resolve incidents faster, but also build a stronger, more resilient organization over time. Now, let's talk about the importance of defining and tracking the metrics that truly matter to your business. It's essential to measure success, not just by the number of tickets closed, but by how well your problem management efforts are reducing downtime, improving user satisfaction, and lowering costs. Setting clear, measurable goals allows you to evaluate progress effectively and make informed decisions. Remember, it's about focusing on the outcomes that align with your overall business objectives. Next, I recommend setting realistic goals and expanding your efforts incrementally. Starting with a manageable scope helps prevent overwhelm and builds confidence as you demonstrate early wins. As your team gains momentum, you can gradually take on more complex issues and scale your program. Moving on, building and maintaining a searchable knowledge base is critical. This repository becomes your go-to resource for troubleshooting, sharing best practices, and ensuring consistency across your team. A well-organized knowledge base accelerates problem resolution and reduces repeated work. Additionally, reviewing and aligning your processes is vital for seamless integration. Your incident management procedures should work hand in hand with problem management, creating a smooth flow from detection to resolution. Regularly revisit these processes to identify gaps and ensure everyone is aligned. Documenting procedures and workflows also plays a key role. Clear, standardized documentation ensures consistency, especially when onboarding new team members or scaling your efforts. It provides a reference point that helps maintain quality over time. Establishing dashboards and reports for transparency is another cornerstone. Visualizing progress through real-time data keeps everyone informed and accountable. It also helps you identify trends and areas needing attention, fostering continuous improvement. Building a diverse problem management team is equally important. Bringing together individuals with different expertise and perspectives enhances your ability to tackle complex issues effectively. A skilled team is the backbone of a successful program. Creating a detailed roadmap with milestones and timelines guides your implementation. This plan keeps your efforts focused and on track, making it easier to measure progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Securing organizational buy-in at the highest levels is crucial. When leadership supports your initiative, you'll gain the resources and authority needed to succeed. This sponsorship also signals the importance of problem management to the entire organization. Linking your efforts to broader company goals, such as reducing downtime and cutting costs, helps justify your program and demonstrates its value. Connecting problem management to tangible business benefits makes your case stronger. Finally, defining and tracking key metrics, setting realistic goals, and building upon small successes creates a solid foundation. These steps ensure your problem management program is not only effective, but also sustainable and aligned with your organization's strategic objectives. Let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits organizations are seeing with ServiceNow. First, by eliminating repetitive incident handling, companies are significantly reducing operational costs. This means less time and resources spent on fixing the same issues repeatedly, allowing teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. Next, proactive problem detection is a game changer. It helps prevent outages before they even happen, ensuring business continuity remains intact. This proactive prevention isn't just about avoiding disruptions, it's about maintaining a steady, reliable service environment. Another important point is improved user satisfaction. When problems are resolved permanently, users experience fewer issues, and agents feel less frustrated because they aren't stuck firefighting recurring problems. This leads to a better overall user experience. We also see organizations consistently meeting or exceeding their service level agreements, what we call SLAs. For example, many achieve a 99.5% SLA achievement rate, which reflects a high level of reliability and commitment to service quality. Additionally, there's a notable reduction in the mean time to resolution, or MTTR. Faster resolutions mean issues are fixed quicker, minimizing downtime and impact on the business. Finally, within the first year, organizations experience an average 40% decrease in recurring incidents. This demonstrates how effective these proactive and problem-solving strategies are in creating long-term improvements. Overall, these benefits show how ServiceNow helps organizations optimize costs, enhance user satisfaction, and achieve operational excellence. Now, let's talk about how ServiceNow's unified platform really streamlines our operations. It ensures that data flows seamlessly between all modules, creating a single source of truth. This means every team member has the right context at their fingertips, empowering them to make informed decisions quickly and confidently. Sharing known errors and workarounds organization-wide is another key aspect. When everyone is on the same page, we can resolve incidents faster and more effectively. Knowledge management helps us understand infrastructure dependencies and identify affected configuration items, making it easier to pinpoint issues and plan solutions. With the Configuration Management Database, or CMDB, we can coordinate permanent fixes through controlled changes. This involves proper risk assessments to minimize disruptions. Change management allows us to link incidents directly to problems, helping us track root causes more comprehensively and analyze patterns over time. All of these elements are integrated within ServiceNow's ITSM modules, creating a cohesive system that supports efficient incident resolution and continuous improvement across the organization. Let's talk about how executive sponsorship played a crucial role in this transformation. When leaders actively support and promote cross-team collaboration, it really helps sustain improvements across the entire organization. It creates a culture where everyone is aligned and working toward common goals. Now, moving on to cultural transformation. This is really at the heart of lasting change. By automating root cause workflows, we managed to cut resolution times by 30%. That's a significant boost, because it means our technical teams have more time and resources to focus on innovation rather than firefighting. And speaking of improvements, I want to highlight a concrete example from Company X. Within just 6 months of implementing ServiceNow problem management, they reduced repeat incidents by 40%. That's a huge step forward in not only fixing issues faster, but also preventing them from recurring. Finally, the real-world impact here is clear. ServiceNow problem management has fundamentally shifted how we handle IT problems. We're no longer stuck in a cycle of putting out the same fires repeatedly. We're proactively preventing issues before they happen. This transformation truly changes the game for IT service management. Transform your IT operations from reactive to proactive by taking control and addressing issues before they impact users. Let's get started on your journey toward operational excellence with ServiceNow Problem Management Configuration. Are you ready to configure your problem management process? By doing so, you can drive continuous improvement and deliver measurable business value through proactive problem management. This approach allows you to identify and resolve root causes more efficiently, preventing recurring issues. Leveraging automation and cross-functional collaboration enables faster, permanent resolutions, reducing downtime and enhancing service quality. Remember, adopting a structured, data-driven methodology helps systematically eliminate recurring IT problems and improve overall stability. In summary, transforming IT operations with ServiceNow Problem Management empowers you to be proactive, efficient, and aligned with your business goals, ensuring a more resilient and responsive IT environment.